Alright, so my lawnmower's not starting. I'm pulling it. I'm trying to pull it. It's not starting. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off to see what's wrong. So this is this is the kind of lawnmower I got, just in case y'all want to know what it is. So I think it's something wrong with this. But when I looked in here, I see that the piece came off, and this is the starter piece that latches onto this so that it will start. So what I got to do is put that back on there. Alright, so I took this latch, and I know it got to go in here somewhere because I seen it popped off. So I'll take this off right here. I'm probably going to use this little piece to take this little clamp off. Sometimes it's a little rough. Right, so I'll take it off. And usually, it's simple. This clip got to go into something in here. So I'm looking at which one. This one's, no, this is a string. But this one has the piece that it needs to go in. Easy. This is the latch that hooks onto it to start the starter. Alright, so I'm about to put this back on here. See how it opens up to grab? That's how I know that's what the issue is. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it could be other shit that's wrong with it, but majority of the time something popped off the lawnmower. So there's no particular way you have to put it on there. You can just put the shit on like this. Make sure it's matched up. So what I'm gonna do before I even screw it back together, I'm gonna make sure that it's hooked. It'll jump off if you're not hooked down. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to screw it down. So I'm just gonna screw every piece down. I only have two because it's old, but y'all get what the fuck is going on. You know what I mean? You put one, you put the other. Screw it in as tight as you can. I want to screw it all the way, but I don't know if I need to. I just need something to stay so that I can jack it. So I can start the lawnmower up. Alright, so let's see. I screwed it all the way down, so we should be good.